In this video from Device Doctor, we will fix the paper jam error March 13th, 01 on the HP printer, which usually happens when the printer cannot properly feed paper from tray 2 due to blockage, dust, or sensor issues.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, turn off the printer and unplug the power cable. As you can see, the paper path is covered with dust, so it needs to be cleaned properly. To clean the paper path, use an air spray to remove all dust carefully. Also check the area properly, because sometimes a small piece of paper or any object stuck inside can also cause this error. Now turn the printer back on and wait until it fully starts up and becomes ready. So this is how you can fix the paper jam error March 13th, 01 on this HP printer. In most cases, this issue is caused by dust, a small paper blockage, or improper feeding in tray 2. By carefully cleaning the paper path, checking for any stuck paper or objects, and then restarting the printer, you can easily solve this problem and bring the printer back to normal working condition.